Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to convert scan files into PDF using Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step that you need to do is simply open up your Adobe Scan. Make sure Adobe Scan is installed on your phone, and if you don't have it, simply open the App Store and Play Store and then simply download the app. The next is to simply open up the app and sign in using your ID, Google, Apple or Facebook account. And then once done, and in your home screen of Adobe Scan, in order to scan a document, simply tap on the camera icon on the bottom right of your screen. Then here what you need to do is select the document that you want, or simply select document from here, and then once that's done, place a new document in the view of the camera, and Adobe Scan will auto detect edges and capture the page, adjust the corners or crop if necessary, and you can also tap on Add Page for multiple pages. Then next step is to review and enhance your scan. After scanning, Adobe Scan will let you enhance your document by simply tapping on the cropping, correlated pages, and adjust brightness and contrast, apply black and white filter or color filters by using filters option right here. And then once you are satisfied, what you need to do is simply tap on the save PDF option on the bottom right of your screen, and then next is to convert to PDF. Adobe Scan automatically converts your scanned images into a PDF file. The PDF is stored in your Adobe document cloud by default right here, and you can also save PDF locally on your phone or share it via email, messaging apps or storage by simply tapping on the share button right here and choosing the method that you want to send it. Then next is to organize or edit PDF. Open the PDF in this Adobe Scan to rename the file, record or delete pages, combine multiple PDFs, or share or export as needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.